thrilled to share my experience of installing a solar power plant, 500 kilowatt solar power plant at my steel factory, which is called City Alloys Private Limited. We are extremely pleased with the solar power installed by KSL. From the initial consultation to the final execution, KSL has demonstrated professionalism, patience, and also great expertise. The installation process was efficient. It did not cause a lot of operational disruption to our plant. It was like our plant was running as usual while the expert people from KSL did their job on the roofs. Since its implementation, the solar power has exceeded our expectations and the energy production has been significant. We have generated good units every day, which has not only reduced our operational costs but also have saved us a lot of energy from our discom. We step forward towards green steel, and we as a company are doing our part to a brighter future, to a better future for the next generation. I am thankful to KSL for the consultancy they have provided me, for the work they have done and the patience they have shown. The AMC, the cleaning, everything from KSL has been good. I have had no complaints so far. They have done a good job. Their bill of materials were really good, unlike other vendors who use subpar materials. They use good quality cables, good quality panels, the inverters, everything. Everything was great, everything was top notch, and I think this would contribute significantly to the life of the solar power plant. I would encourage everyone in this industry, especially the steel sector, to move towards sustainable solutions. Solar power is a great initiative and KSL is doing a fantastic job for it. I would recommend everyone to give them a shot and at least install some part of it so that you can save some electricity and you can provide towards a better future. That is my 2 cents on the dollar, and I wish KSL all the best for their future.